Okay, I'm here with Alex. You've got a new light switch system to show me, Alex.
Yeah, what's happened is customers have told us, but I listen to our customers, that when they come in the door, so they walk in the door and then they have to walk across to the nearest wall, turn the light switch on and off.
Yeah.
So we put this conduit here, so it's 100mm by 50mm conduit.
Right.
That you can see is in there.
And
So
it's got the light switches.
sticks out 50mm and then it's got a little cap on it. But if you look down here, you can see that it's sticking out. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then in it, we put light switch. We've put a 3-gang light switch on here so that could turn the outside lights off, the inside lights off, and it gives you a spare light switch.
Right. And you've got a double socket
It's
in there.
not.
It's not a single socket,
Because,
isn't it?
because of the nature of it, it has to be a single socket. You can't get a double socket in there.
Right.
You could put another socket above it if we wanted. And we could put another light switch above here.
Okay.
So this can take the place of the electrical wall. On an annex, we usually put a wall because it complies.
It has to comply, doesn't it?
Yeah, it complies with. But as you can see, it's quite neat and tidy.
And that's so much more convenient.
Yeah.
Coming in the dark.
You're going to walk in, turn on your lights.
Yeah. Well, that's fantastic. Thank you for that.
No problem.